Good morning, students. Our topic today will be thermal expansion of solids. Thermal means heat and expansion means increase in volume. That is, whenever we heat a solid, not only solid, when we heat liquid or gases also, there is expansion in it. So this expansion due to heat is called thermal expansion. Now we have different activities to prove that thermal expansion of solid takes place. Let us take a strip which is called bimetallic strip, which is made of brass and iron. The upper part is iron and the other metal will be brass. So this is called bimetallic strip because it is made of two metals. Iron and brass. Though brass is not a metal, it is an alloy, but we can consider here it as a metal. And this is a bimetallic strip made of iron and brass. Here you have to see that brass expands more than iron. That's why when you heat this bimetallic strip, there will be no uniform expansion. It is noticed that brass expands more than iron. And due to this unequal expansion, it is found that the bimetallic strip bent, and it bends this way. This is how it will bend, where you find the brass bending more than the iron. Now this bimetallic strip has got an important use in making an automatic iron, where you find that iron automatically turns on and off, which is due to the unequal expansion of brass and iron, which make the bimetallic strip bend this way, which also makes the iron automatically turn on and off. And in that case, you don't have to turn it on and turn it off using the switch. Automatically it takes place. We can now see some more application of thermal expansion. You might have seen the gap in a railway track at regular interval, at regular distance. This gap is meant for allowing the expansion of railway tracks when the train moves on it. Because when the train moves on it, the railway tracks become hot, and this gap is provided just to allow the expansion of the railway track without causing any bending in the railway track. Otherwise, if the gap is not provided, then the railway track may bend and it may cause accident, because in that case the train may come out of the railway track, where accident may also take place. So to avoid accident, only this railway track is provided with the gaps. If you can consider this as the railway track, so you find this gap is left in between, so that when train moves on it, this expansion will fill the gap and there will be no bending in the railway track. Now again, when this becomes cold, it will come back to its position, where once again the gap can be seen. We have one more application of thermal expansion, where you can see the placing of iron ring over the wooden wheel. This suppose is the wooden wheel. You might have seen the wooden wheel in the horse cart or bullock cart, but if you see that wooden wheel, you will find there is iron ring placed over it from outside. This is an iron ring. This iron ring is provided to give strength to the wooden wheel so that it would not break when it is allowed to use in the bullock cart or the horse cart. Now the question comes here that how to place this iron ring over the wooden wheel from outside. It is done by taking an iron ring smaller in size than the size of the wooden wheel. But the question comes, if it is smaller in size, how can we place it over the wooden wheel? It is done by first heating this iron ring, and you should heat it till the size becomes little bigger than the size of the wooden wheel, so that it can easily be placed over. Now when it is completely placed over, cold water is poured from top to contract this iron ring, and when it contracts, it tries to come back to its own size, that is this smaller size, giving a tight grip of iron ring on the wheel. Otherwise, if we had taken the iron ring of the same size of the wooden wheel, then in that case, when the wheel rotates or when the wheel moves on the road, it will soon become loose and may be thrown out. So that's why this process is done, where we can give a tight grip of this iron ring on the wooden wheel. You might have seen the fixing of the wire between the two poles. The telephone wires or the electric wires, when it is fixed between the two poles, it is not given a tight wire. Because if the wire is taken tight, then during winter, due to the contraction, this will become more tight, and as a result, it may break into pieces. So to avoid this, when this wire is fixed between the poles, during the summer season itself, it is left sagging. That means loose wire is to be taken, so that during winter, if it contracts also, it will not become so tight to get broken into two pieces. So these are various applications of thermal expansion of solid. We have some more expansion or applications that we will see in the next class. Thank you.